Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is a very introductory video of BizBook365.com, and you can see I am using the demo link. So let's get started. If you go to the home page, you will see a very welcome message, and for the demo purpose I have already added the username and password here. You will just press the sign in button and you will be signed into the system, and after just signed in you will see the dashboard. Into the dashboard we can see that there are total sale today, and the sale can be divided into the different sources like BizBook365, this one, or the Facebook or the website. I will show you one by one later. And then since it is a e-commerce based application, so a lot of orders may be in pending order. So you can see that these orders are in the pending states. I'll not go through in detail here. First I want to show you the buttons or the navigations over here. So as usual, as an admin, you can add or edit your employees. If I click on the edit item, we can go to the edit button. I'm just going back, and next you can see the brand. As usual, this brand is used in the product detail. When we want to add product, this brand is used in this drop down. For example, I want to add for example performance perfume 8 ml, or I want to add a gadget of Apple or something like that. Then I will go to the supplier. The supplier is the institutions or the persons from whom we buy the things. We buy a lot of things. This supplier may be myself as well, because if I am the own producer and I want to stock in by my own product, then I will add myself as a supplier. And there is also some buttons here. You can see, for example, if I go to the rice store history, you can see that I have bought, I means the demo one, I have bought a lot of rice from him or the rice store, and due is -100, is like I have paid him 3400 and I am getting 30. I have already purchased 3300. That means I still can get 100 taka product from him or from that store. My apology, this will be to the right side, and this one will be into the purchased section. Next, if I go to the customer section, the customers are the persons who will buy from me. That means I want to sell my products to the customer. For example, if I go to Faisal, and okay, so you can see that there may be same name, but the phone number is different. So this is the unique number. And if I go to in the history section, just here, you can see that I can see the whole history of Mr. Faisal and his phone number, and this is the due. This is due means I will get 2150 taka from him. This is the due. So this is the whole section from him. He has purchased 6570 and he only paid 4420. So I need to get some collection from him. So this is the whole history. And the interesting part is, if I click onto the cell, I can directly see what have he purchased and what's happened to the states. These are self-explanatory, so you can guess what's happened here. I'm going to the back, and then customer list, and edit is as well. As usual, I can edit his information. Next section is product group, product category, and product detail. This can be differentiated according to the shop category, shop style. For example, if my shop sells the perfume, then the group may be the perfume, and the categories may be like refreshing, or for the cold, or for aqua, something like that. If I am a food seller, then this group may have the grocery, this category may have the rice, and this detail may have the details of the rice, like the we have Bangladesh in Najishal Chal, or miniket, something like that, the details. But for the simplicity, I have added some information here for the demo purpose. For example, the rice Najishal, this is the name, and if I go to edit section, you can see this is categorized as food, but of course I can change it to the grocery or the general or whatever. It depends on my own shop. Brand is unknown because the rice doesn't have any brand, and the name is Najishal. And the cost price, I'm buying from the supplier, this is the cost price, and I'm selling, this is the sale price. And initially I will set some value, but after that these will be read only, and the purchase section will be summed up here, and the sold section will be summed up here, and the total on hand, in my hand, is here. Okay, I'm not going to change anything. Another thing is barcode. Barcode is like it is auto generated if you click here, so it can be printed out. We have a function into the desktop application, it can be printed out, and the barcode device, it can read the barcode, and the barcode can be searched from my own database. It is implemented not here but in the desktop. This is the category I have told you before. After that, we have purchase, like if I want to stock in to my shop, I will do purchase. If I want to sell, my stock gets less, that means the stock will be deducted. So there is no way you can stock in some product and stock out some product manually or some other way. This is the only two ways the stock will be changed. Like if it is purchased, the stock will increase. If it is sold, the stock will decrease. And the detail of that particular product, the history, can be shown from seen from here. You can see the history button over here, my mouse, and that's it. So these are the cell, and you can see each of the detail of the cell by clicking on the name. And of course you can see the purchase just clicking on the name. So I have bought, means demo 1 have bought supplier performance, and have bought 30,000 taka product. So okay, now sell, no, purchase is a very intuitive UI. We can directly purchase from, for example, perfumes, and we can purchase, for example, no, this one, 4 ml. I want to purchase for those 50 item, and I press add to cart. I don't have any other. No, I am just paying. No, I will not pay because I have already paid him too much. So just press save, it will be saved. Now if I go to the product details section, you can see this one is added. So not blue, this one I just added. Yeah, I have added 50 quantity, 4000 BDT. Okay, next one is the sale. This is the UI. I will take a short break and create another video for the rest of the menus because it is a very big video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.